What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets E175 in the Alaska, well, it's Alaska Airlines Upper Horizon, but it's in the Go Cougs livery, supporting the Washington State Cougars football team. So they've done a couple of specials. They've got this one. They've got the I forget which other ones they have. They have two more specials. I can't remember. I know they have like a purplish one, I think, and they have the retro one as well. But yeah, I haven't picked up the other ones. I finally decided to pick up this one. I'll probably get those other ones at some point, as I believe they're still available. But yeah, so this is Alaska Airlines, well, operated by Horizon. E175 in the Go Cougs livery. So let's take a look at it. So here's the box. There's the aircraft. There's the information. The back. This was released sometime last year as well, in 2024. I don't remember which month. But yeah, let's take a look at it. This mold is okay. I'd love to see someone else try and do a mold of the 175s, 170s, just to see what someone else could do. But overall, I mean, they do have a decent mold, and I've got a couple of the 175s by GeminiJets, and they're not bad. So let's take a look at this. It's in one piece, so that's a good start. Overall, it's a little small. It's a tiny little aircraft, at least the model wise. Well, let's take a look at what we got here. And it looks actually pretty good. This doesn't look bad at all. So here we have the 175 in the Go Cougs livery. It's Alaska Airlines Upper by Horizon. So let's take a look on what we got. The cockpit section here, not looking too bad. I've always, in my opinion, I've always thought this whole area just looks a little bit off compared to the real 175s, but I don't know. I can never put my finger on what exactly it is. It always looks a little weird to me. But then again, you know, it could just be me. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. It looks all right. But yeah, again, it just looks like there's something off to me, but I could be wrong. Anyway, you got some great details all around here. You got the gear looking pretty good. The door with some good detail on it, and then the little, I believe it's the little One World logo. The Alaska title with Horizon right by it, so that's obviously indicating that it's operated by Horizon Air. You got the little engines. That doesn't look good. I don't know what happened there, but that just doesn't look good compared to that one. That doesn't look like they put it in properly or something. That looks terrible. Yeah, compared to this side, this one looks okay. This does not look okay. It looks a little bit clunky. Like it wasn't, I don't know what they did, but it doesn't look great. Oh well, it is what it is. You got the little winglets with the actually there's a little detail logo on the winglet right there. It looks really nice, and it's on the inside as well, so that's awesome. Great detail there. No antennas on this model or this mold, unfortunately. That's a shame. It would be nice to see some antennas on these. But yeah, moving along, it's pretty straightforward. There's some good detail on the wings, and then you have the aft exit. The registration, you have the American flag and then the registration, and it's November 661 Quebec X-ray. And then you got the, I guess this is like the team's like, yeah, the team's like emblem, like I guess mascot or whatever it is, their logo, the team's logo, right there on the tail. So it looks actually pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Horizontal stabilizer and the tail fin all look pretty good. Spin it around on this side, it's the same thing really, and then you just have the little baggage door at the front and the back. So yeah, let's take a look at the top-down view. Nothing crazy. And underneath, nothing special as well. Main gear do roll, nose wheel does not. You do have a little beacon at the bottom, which is kind of, or a little, sorry, antenna at the bottom there, which is nice. But nothing on the top, unfortunately. Overall, it's actually a pretty good model. The livery and the details are great. I'm a little disappointed with that engine, how that looks, but that's just me being picky because I'm always very critical of GeminiJets, just given how expensive they are for what you get half the time. Nonetheless, happy to have this. Going to try and pick up some of the other 175s, the specials as well, just to have them in the fleet and the collection. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.